अब मैं दावत देता हूँ मोहम्मद फैज़ान को कि वो तशरीफ़ लाएँ और अपने मुंतखब उन्वान पर खिताब फरमाएं। अंग्रेज़ी तकरीर है, अंग्रेज़ी में तकरीर पेश फरमाएं।
Honorable Chief Guest, the Manager Sir, respected teachers and all my colleagues. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Sir, as you know, we are celebrating our annual function today. I am here to say some words on the topic Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is the best model to emulate. The life of the Holy Prophet of Islam, Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, sets an example to follow in every field of life. The high tributes paid to his personality in the Quran and the Sunnah or Islamic practices remind us of his exalted station. From his life, we learn the lesson of patience in the face of adversity and opposition and the readiness to sacrifice everything for the cause of Islam. At one place, the Holy Prophet is called Uswatun Hasana, the ideal model to emulate. While at another place, he is called the bearer of good news, paradise, and the one who warns of divine chastisement and retribution. The period before the arrival of the Holy Prophet in Arabia was one of ignorance. Wars were fought for petty matter for generation and respect for women was at its lowest ebb. It was in such difficult circumstances that the Holy Prophet announced his message that would change the face and social fabric not only of the Arab but the whole humanity forever. The path adopted by the Holy Prophet to spread his message and attract more and more people to his message was his excellent character and work. So whether it was dealing his family members, his enemies, his friends, he set the highest standards of the thing. We need to adopt this mode ourselves in our life through our behavior and action. Illustrate to the world that we have really great love and faith for our Prophet, who was respected for his morals and values. It is for this reason that despite the passage of over 1400 years since his birth, he lives amongst us through his teaching. Respected audience, I must emphasize in the end that the Quran or any part of it is the final word from the Almighty Allah. And it is not for amusement. Whoever wants success of this world and hereafter, لَقَدْ كَانَ لَكُمْ فِي رَسُولِ اللَّهِ أُسْوَةٌ حَسَنَةٌ لِمَنْ كَانَ يَرْجُو اللَّهَ وَالْيَوْمَ الْآخِرَ وَذَكَرَ اللَّهَ كَثِيرًا. Thus the whole matter boils down to the change of heart. मन की दौलत हाथ आती है तो फिर जाती नहीं, मन की दौलत हाथ आती है तो फिर जाती नहीं, मन की दुनिया छांव में आता है न जाता है। अस्सलामु अलैकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि।
माशाअल्लाह, बहुत खूब।